What letter have you got? What letter have you got? Let me see. It's a W. W. Go get another one. Let me see. What letter have you got? It's another E. E. Go get another one. Okay, go get another one. What letter have you got? It's an H. H. Go get another one. It's okay. Pick it up. It's okay. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Let me see. What letter have you got? It's an I. I. Go get another one. Good girl. What letter have you got? You have a J. J. What have you got? An L. L. I. That's right. Good work. Can you find the W? No, that's the J. Can you say M? M. H. H. M. M. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.